planned the coup. Ja, well, the position really that I took today and which I take is that of correcting the misconceptions that have been thrown around the country, and so that the people make a judgment for themselves. I haven't said so and so has actually done this. And Mugabe said that I planned the coup and that I'll be tried and sentenced to death. I've been accused, um, tried and convicted by the Prime Minister of a country, you see.
Do you think that you are going to be arrested and tried?
I've been arrested before. But I have said to you what really startles me is that we fought against certain laws of this country. But these people have reinforced them, given them more teeth. And this is where I say, have we been quarreling about the Law and Order Maintenance Act because it was being used by a white man? Now that the black man is using it and even making it much more abhorrent than the white people, and we should keep quiet about that. This is what we are fighting against. This war of words. We are against this type of thing. If I was plotting a coup, I had sufficient arms, more arms in Gwai before and mid and after elections that I could have overthrown this fellow right away. But that's not my plan. I'm not a coup type of person. I'm interested in doing something and win the hearts of people in order to be in government. So that's how I look at it.
And do you think you're going to get into government?
Of course, yes, unless these people organize a coup against the state and they succeed, which we're not going to allow them to succeed. If not, if it is a popularly elected government and we go to the people right through this country and give the people what we are doing, we'll get there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.